Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. We have mini beef burritos on our menu today. Alright, we're going to jump right into making them, and the reason why they're too damn easy for me to list ingredients, because you can put anything you want. You need medium burrito shells. Medium burrito shells, ground beef. That is the main thing. Now, you can put cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, hot peppers, rice, refried beans, black beans. It's just a number of ingredients you can use. You can use any kind of cheese you want to use. The thing about these is you want to be very, very careful how much filling you put in here, because what happens, these are much smaller and they will end up not staying closed. So you always want a burrito where you can just pick it up, grab it, and go. So you don't have to hold it closed. Okay? So you got to make sure you don't overload it with ingredients. So I'm going to let you watch me fill a couple of these, and after I filled a couple of them, we're going to go on to the next step, which is browning that outside of that shell, because that simply must be done to have a great burrito. All right, so take a look. Watch this. I'm going to speed it up a little bit and just check it out. It's just different ingredients. This is so easy, whatever ingredients you want to use. So check it out. So into a pan on the stove, you want to put some olive oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, some type of oil, so that we can brown these. So once your pan really hot, after your pan is really hot, you want to put it down to a medium heat. Now, get it down to a medium heat, you want to put your burritos in, but you want to put them in where the flap is. So just where you rolled it up and closed it, you want to put it on that side first, because you want that to brown, but you want it to close. So you want it to cook and close, basically, so that your burrito does stay closed when you pick it up. So that's what you want to do here. So right here, we just want to brown it on all sides too. So you want to brown it on all sides. So you'll see from time to time here that I will put a little more oil in here. So if the pan becomes quite dry, but what happens is you do not want a layer of oil at the bottom. So you do not want about 1/8 of an inch or something like that. So you want to put it where it's just a little bit at a time, if you know what I mean. So if you're using a griddle or a grill, then you'll know what I'm saying. You just want to put some on there, but not so much where these are sitting in oil at the bottom of the pan. You don't want to do that. All right, so I have it on medium heat. Naturally, if you use a medium high heat, then you will want to turn yours a hell of a lot quicker. So I'm going to speed this up, and I'm going to let you see these as they brown on all sides. All right, now check this out. So you want to watch these. You want to keep turning them, see how brown it is. Now those sides that open up like that, if you can, you want to try to push it back in. And if you get the burrito like the one here on the left side, it kept opening. So if you get that, you just want to take your spatula or your tongs and you want to close it. So here I'm just holding all three. You can do one at a time. So you can see I'm trying to stand them up and do the ends too. So you want to do all the sides a nice golden brown, and this is what you'll get. Look at that. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.